Lucy's broccoli.
And Louis, you will get
Gone.
the skin on.
No teeth.
Got no teeth yet.
Louis,
Is it gone?
what are you doing? You want the
Well,
skin?
go on. Want another one?
Oh, let me wash it then. I thought you didn't like the skin.
I do.
Another broccoli?
No, I don't actually want to eat the skin. I just want to eat the middle.
Got nothing left that time.
Alright, but it's still putting in your mouth, so I still have to wash it.
Is it gone again? Oh, big swallow for that one.
Hello, Chloe.
There's Rihanna eating her chicken.
Can I look? Can I look?
There's Holly saying, can I lick, can I lick? There's Louis eating a kiwi.
What are you
And
filming?
Lucy's getting upset because there's no broccoli in front of her. So let's give her some more broccoli.
Can you filming us? Mummy.
Yes, darling, I am.
Put the egg in your ear.
Oh,
Put
gone.
the egg in your ear. That's rice. Bella, put the egg in
Oh,
your ear.
Holly wants to show the
She's
egg.
already heard
There's an egg. Okay, go on then. You put it in my ear.
the toy.
Oh, there's a toy in it.
Yeah. What?
This is
Who are you staring at?
this is what she plays. Oh, you're videoing.
Yeah.
This is what we play at signing to make everyone be
Excuse
quiet.
me, noisy girl.
Listen. I think you two can sit down actually. Sit down. Good children. Good children. Don't video me.